McCready, sy'n gat Cyming, rergyd gan Cyming, heibio'r postyn. Mae di gwiro oddi ar amddiffynwr ar y ffordd, do honna ddim yn bell. McCready. Creamer. Chwilio am Downey. Sam Hart methu cael dim byd ar ei Alex Downs. Ac mae Alex Downs wedi rhoi Bae Colwyn ar y blaen. 18 munud wedi chwarae yma yn ffordd Llaneilian. Y bel nôl i mewn i'r canol i dod. Sam Hart methu cael ei ben arni. Ond y bel yn disgyn i Downs ac Alex Downs yn sgorio ei bedwerydd gol am y tymor. Bydd y le rwan gan McCready. Pas hyfryd at Tommy Creamer. Os na gyflaf yma i Creamer. Creamer troi tu fewn. Cwpan efo fo. Bel yn cyrraedd Cwpan. Cwpan dros y trawst. Dyna chi gyfla y fanna i Bae Colwyn dyblu ei mantais. 2 funud ar ôl sgorio'r cynta. Gwaith da gan McCready, rhyddhau Creamer. Creamer penderfynu peidio ar gydio. Ac ergyd Cwpan dros y trawst. Allan mae'n dod i Alex Downs. Downs. Lawr yr asgell ei hun. Bel ar draws. Downey. Jones. Fyny at Cwpan. Jones derbyn y bel yn ôl. Dyna chi gol hyfryd gan Bae Colwyn. Y bel i mewn i Cwpan. Cwpan yn ôl i Dan Jones. A Dan Jones yn dyblu mantais y tîm cartra. Syw yn cadw meddiant, pres. Bas hir, chwilio am y clagyn. Joe Smith yn disgyn a Joe Smith yn adfer y sefyllfa yn rhagorol. McClacken gweld y gol gwag o'i flaen o, ond rwsyd gododd Joe Smith ar ôl llithro a gwneud yr arbediad. Tafliad sy'n gat Cwpan, Cwpan yn troi, yn ergyd gan Wdi Cwpan yn cael ei arbed gan Luke Rhys. Wdi Cwpan digon yn erth ar yr ergyd, ond braidd yn agos i Luke Rhys yn y gol.
Yeah, I thought the second half was a bit scrappy, but I thought we dealt with the conditions really well. I thought first half, I thought we were excellent. I thought throughout the game, I thought in periods, you know, the way we passed it, the way we got in, I thought on another day, if we would have had a little bit more composure in that final third, it could have been a few more goals. You know, we got into some great areas, and I thought the work rate from all the players was tremendous today.
Yeah, difficult day, difficult conditions, and that's where I felt the game was won and lost. I thought Colwyn Bay, you know, played the conditions better than us, especially against the win in the first half. I thought the first 15 minutes, I felt that we were in control, got some shots off, but then they controlled it then, and you know, up to the front man set back caused us problems in behind. And yeah, 2-0 lead, it was always going to be difficult for us then to get back into the game against the wind. But I felt, you know, we were competitive second half, just didn't look like scoring.
With a day like today, with the conditions as they are, how much does that come into play with your tactics or with what you say to the players, or is it just a case of trying to go out and play how you normally play?
You try, but obviously it has a big part to play in terms of the wind and also the pitch. It's a difficult pitch. Not making excuses, but when you play on sort of 4G nearly every week, to play on grass is a little bit different, especially in conditions like when it was so blustery and difficult. And I felt Colwyn Bay were better playing the conditions of what we were.
It's a great win, especially in the Cup, to put us into the quarterfinals against Cardiff Met in a few weeks. But yeah, nice to score. Haven't scored too many this season, so yeah, it's nice.
Talk us through the goal then.
Corner, I think it got kicked back out, and then I'd always say that Evo tells me to end around the back stick, and then again scored.
Right place at the right time, yeah?
Some may say that. I say, you know, got to create your own look sometimes.